Now we're going to make this hula hoop ring right here. And it looks like a really, really complex form, but this is going to illustrate the use of the follow me tool, which is so obscure that it's not even on the main toolbar. You have to grab it from tools. That's where follow me is. What follow me does is, given a certain sweeping line and an initial 2D profile, it will move that profile along that sweeping line, even if that sweeping line has kinks or turns or curves. It will follow that faithfully, given that it maintains the perpendicular profile. So let's just go ahead and try making this to see what that looks like. The inside ring is actually a 10-foot diameter circle. We're going to make that first. Oh, actually, what is it? We got 16 feet. Okay, that works too. Like a 16-foot circle, 8-foot radius. And then we're going to make a circle at the edge here. And we want that circle, its farthest edge, to line up with this node here. So it's like this would be, what I just created here would be the diameter of the circle. And so you can actually use a guiding line like this here to advantage. Now we need to make that circle sit upwards. And typically when you make a circle, it can only sit on the ground. But from here, all you have to do is rotate that circle. And you can do that by making, as we've done in the past, a guide plane for rotation. And you're going to select just a circle. And you're going to rotate along that guide plane. What's going on here? There we go. That's doing something a little bit strange there. Let's see. Just to divorce it from the curve here, actually just grab this setup here, separate it momentarily, just so it doesn't have that bug. Let's do that rotate again. Got our circle up in the right direction, and then we can actually move it back to where we need it to. Notice that, this circle is not exactly a curve, it's a many-sided polygon, but you should be able to find an edge which is true to its original axis, both up and down. And you can just spot that by visual inspection. And move it back to where you wanted it. Okay, so now we've got, imagine sort of an orbiting planet around its axis, and it's facing directly perpendicular to its track. And these are all the pieces we need to do our sweep. So how the sweep works is you go to Tools, Follow Me. You can select the piece you want to do the sweep on. And immediately after you've clicked it, you're going to try to move your cursor immediately and start actually sweeping that track with your cursor, just hovering over it, not pressing or holding any key. As you do that, it'll highlight red and it'll give you that as an option. And what you want to do is just follow as true as possible to that curve. This matters more when you've got more lines in the way, more options. And you're just going to simply go all the way around until it shows you a completed shape. And this can bug up because imagine you can accidentally get onto a different track entirely. But when you're done, you simply click one last time. Oops. To generate the entire shape. And from here, you can delete the inside.